we're going to make 4 different types of edible Play-Doh. Fun and yum!
I like it.
The first recipe is for a yogurt Play-Doh. We'll start with 5 ounces of vanilla yogurt. Now we'll slowly add 1 cup of cornstarch. A little at a time. Last, we can add some food coloring to make our yogurt Play-Doh a little more colorful. If I were to make this Play-Doh again, I would add the food coloring to the yogurt before the cornstarch. I think that the color would have mixed in better. It definitely feels like Play-Doh. We saved this Play-Doh in the fridge overnight, and the second day, it still worked as Play-Doh, but was a little bit more crumbly. In the recipe, One Savvy Mom says that you can store this Play-Doh in the fridge for 7 to 10 days. We can use cookie cutters and mold it. You know we had to taste it. It's not really yummy, but it is edible. Now let's make peanut butter Play-Doh. This recipe came from the imagination tree. We need 1/3 cup of peanut butter. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. We melted ours a little bit to make it easier to mix. A 1/2 cup of powdered milk, or powdered sugar if you want it a little sweeter. Mix it well. I found that the Play-Doh was a little bit crumbly, so we decided to add some coconut oil. That helped it hold together a little bit better. Imagination Tree said that you could roll this Play-Doh into balls, toast it in the oven, and eat it like cookies. We kept this peanut butter Play-Doh in the fridge overnight. The next day, it was a little bit more like kinetic sand, crumbly, but still really fun to play with. This recipe was definitely tasty. Our next Play-Doh recipe is an oatmeal Play-Doh. We got this recipe from Jennifer Dawn. 1/4 cup of water. We have a 1/2 cup of uncooked oats. 1/4 cup of flour. We mixed it together really well. This Play-Doh has kind of a gummy consistency, but it was still fun to play with. We kept this Play-Doh in the fridge overnight, and the second day, it was not usable as Play-Doh. This Play-Doh recipe was really fun when used for breakfast. We added some raisins, honey, and chia seeds. We played with our Play-Doh and then ate our oatmeal Play-Doh for breakfast. Our fourth Play-Doh recipe is for marshmallow Play-Doh. This recipe came from Kitchn. We started with 12 large marshmallows and added 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. We put them in the microwave on high for 30 seconds. Right out of the microwave, you can choose to add food coloring for fun, colorful Play-Doh. Now, we add cornstarch, 8 to 10 tablespoons. We add it slowly as we're kneading. This Play-Doh recipe is a little bit more like putty. Very fun to play with though. We kept this Play-Doh in the fridge overnight, and it was rock hard the next day. It had the best taste of all of our edible Play-Dohs.
I thought this one would taste the best. Marshmallows tend to do that, huh?
That's yummy.
What a fun day, making and eating Play-Doh!